Gotcha, you giggly ghost! I'll get that crystal! Ooh, you can't! Let go of the crystal, you giggly goof! It belongs to the giggle room! Too many giggles!
Ooh, a mystery mansion!
Perfect for a new adventure, gang! Adventure awaits! Wowee! This place is huge!
It's so big!
Hello! Hello! Echo Eye! Look! A book! A dusty old book! It's so dusty!
Hot dog. A map. X marks the spot.
Let's go upstairs!
Higher! Higher! We're almost there, gang! Whee! Going up! Hot dog! It's the door!
Oh dear, it's locked!
A mystery! What's inside?
It's stuck tight!
Oh dear, it's very hard!
It just won't open! Listen! Do you hear that? Giggles? Is someone giggling?
Ooh, that's a bit spooky. Any clues here, gang?
It's so dark in the cracks!
Look out for shadows.
I see something. What is it, SpongeBob?
Anything interesting? It's all blurry. I can't tell.
Oh dear, what is it then?
We can't tell from here.
Ooh, it's a bit spooky.
Don't worry, Peppa. We're here.
And we're brave. Very brave.
How are we going to open this door?
Maybe there's a key?
Or a secret button? Hot dog, let's find another way.
Yes, let's go.
Explore, explore. Ooh, it's so creaky. Shh. Let's be quiet. Squeak, squeak, go the floors.
It's watching us.
Ooh, spook eyes.
Ow, gang, it's just paint.
Hot dog, a crowbar.
Oh, we can use it.
For the locked door.
Push, push, harder, Mickey.
It's so stuck.
Gosh, it won't move at all.
Oh dear, what a pity.
What do we do now? Ooh, it's getting LOR.
What is that giggle?
It's very, very giggly. A ghost.
Whoa, that was a surprise.
Ooh, it's a friendly ghost.
Hi.
What?
Tell us. SpongeBob, use your net.
Ooh, good idea, Peppa. But for what, pal? Almost got it. Whoops! Oh no! Be careful! Watch out for that vase.
Gosh, it's still too high.
Oh dear, I'm so sad.
We failed again.
Aha! I've got it!
What is it, Mickey?
Tell us the plan. We'll stack up. SpongeBob, then Peppa, then me.
We'll be so tall.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Got it! I got the key! Hooray! We did it! Yay! Teamwork! Click! It's unlocked!
Ooh, it's opening.
Finally! What's inside? Wow!
It's so colorful. Hot dog, a giggle ghost.
And lots of giggles. Here I go! I'll get the crystal! No! It's my giggle! Let go of the crystal, you giggly sheet! It belongs to the giggle room! You can't catch us!
Oh, yes, we can.
This is fun!
Got it, the giggle crystal. Ow, my giggle.
Oh dear, don't be sad.
Let's share the giggles.
For me? Really?
Of course, we're all friends.
Yay!
More giggles! Giggle, giggle! Everyone's happy! Hot dog! New friends!
This is so much fun!
Best day ever in the giggle room!
Yippee! What a giggle-tastic adventure!
Ooh, a happy ending!
Adventure solved! What a team!